Have you ever set up a home theater projector and watched a spy movie like Mission Impossible or the Bourne Identity and thought to yourself, yeah, I could do that? Deep down, you might know that Jason Bourne can do things that you can't, but that doesn't mean that with the help of some of the best spy gadgets, you can at least try. The coolest gadgets aren't just for the big screen action stars. There are plenty of real-world scenarios and occupations where spy gadgets can help you get the information you need and get the job done correctly. Journalists and law enforcement officers, outdoorsmen, and even creative media types could all find a use for spy gear. Even your average Joe traveling the country van camping can take advantage of equipment like VPNs, Ray-Ban stories, and Faraday bags for your phone. We encourage our viewers to use these devices responsibly. You can do some really cool things with spy equipment, but you can also be a total creep with some of them too. Don't be that person. That person is not cool. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll tell you about the best spy gadgets you can buy right now in 2023. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more similar content. Let's dive in. 1. Ray-Ban Stories, $299. Take pictures and videos without having to physically pull out your phone or camera. These Ray-Bans have two cameras on the frame that can take photos and videos, and with Bluetooth speakers built into the frame, you can even take a phone call without grabbing your phone. And at the end of the day, even without all the cool spy features, you'll have on a stylish pair of Ray-Bans, making you look great on sunny summer days. 2. DJI Mavic 3. $2,049. If you really want to be prepared for everything, you'll need spy gear that can take flight, even when you can't. The DJI Mavic 3 is the drone you want that can fly for 46 minutes before it needs recharge. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing keeps your drone from getting damaged even when it's more than 9 miles away. Yeah, it can fly that far. And when the battery is getting low, it can return safety on the fastest route without pilot intervention. 3. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 Listen Through Wall Contact Probe Microphone Amplifier System, $59.99. You never know if people are telling you the truth unless you hear them behind closed doors. With the 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐬 mic, you can place the device on a wall and listen through the built-in headphones. Since noise is simply vibrations and wavelengths, this microphone can easily amplify those sounds. 4. Mission Darkness Non-Window Faraday Bag for Phones, $25. Sometimes you need spy gear to protect your data, and other times you need it to prevent somebody from tracking you. That's when the Mission Darkness Faraday bag comes in handy. This Faraday bag is lab tested and certified that when you place your phone in the bag and seal it up, nothing is getting in or out. That's right, no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, nada. If you don't want anyone tracking your whereabouts or trying to steal your data, dropping your phone in this bag will certainly conceal your location and help you keep your privacy. 5. G-Thunder Digital Night Vision Goggles, $169.99. The GT Thunder Night Vision binoculars are designed for hunting but can be adapted to other purposes as well. These low-light sights have 984 feet of infrared night vision range, 3 times optical zoom, an IP56 rating for dust and water resistance, and a pair of AA batteries that will get you 3 hours of use in infrared night mode. On top of that, you can save the footage you capture with these things to the included 32GB flash card and then back it up to your computer when it's all said and done. 6. Night Vision Goggles. Were you looking for something a little more advanced than night vision binoculars? Then you'll want to go with the military equipment available at ATN Corp, where you can buy the same night vision technology used by U.S. military and intelligence forces. They aren't cheap, but the superior tactical PVS-7 goggles offer military-grade night vision capabilities. Lightweight and waterproof, it works under extreme weather conditions, has a 50-hour battery life, and can be attached to headgear. If you want the best spy gadgets money can buy, these goggles are a must-have. 7. Photbor Antispy Tempered Glass Film, $7.98. When you're up to secret spy activity, you have to have spy gear that prevents other people from eavesdropping on the information you have. A iPhone 13 Pro Max privacy screen protector keeps anyone from rubbernecking to secretly see what's on your phone. Unless you're looking directly at your screen, the screen will look black. An added bonus beyond the added privacy is it protects your screen as well. 8. Portable Noise Generator White Noise Machine, $399. There are many reasons you wouldn't want sensitive conversations to be overheard or recorded without you knowing. Still, it isn't easy to find a private place in the era where everything has an internet-connected mic. Instead, create your own personal bubble with the Rabbler, one of the coolest spy gadgets we found yet. The noise generator can create noise that replicates a crowded room's ambient sounds, making it hard for microphones or eavesdropping ears to discern what you're saying. 9. NordVPN, $44.76. Every good intelligence agent knows that information security is essential to maintaining a secure operation. And since we're at the mercy of big tech companies to keep our online and mobile behavior safe, many people are investing in their own spy equipment to ensure their private internet activity is secure. VPN cybersecurity technology. What does VPN technology do? A service like NordVPN routes your traffic through remote servers. In fact, NordVPN gives you the ability to route your IP address and DNS settings through one of its more than 5,000 global servers. This action has two critical effects. It hides your IP address and encrypts all incoming and outgoing data. So with NordVPN cybersecurity technology, your web browsing won't be tracked by anyone, keeping you safe from prying eyes, internet service providers, hackers, and in theory, the government. On top of that, it ensures your ISP won't throttle your internet connection. A VPN can also let you access the dark web if you're interested in that sort of thing. 10. Roxanne Viper Monocular Telescope, $21.99. Binoculars are usually thought to be the primary product to check out targets that are farther away. Yet still, monoculars offer a more minimal and straightforward device to do the same thing. This Roxanne monocular is military grade with a rubberized grip, travel case, keyring, and more. So now you get a telescope in your pocket for the price of a good dinner. 11. JMDHKK Antispy and RF Detector, $158.95. Suppose you've got yourself into a predicament where you may be under heavy surveillance. In that case, you're going to need a spy gadget that does more than detecting hidden cameras to make sure you're in a secure place. The JMDHKK M8000 AI RF detector takes the traditional RF bug detector and infuses it with AI to make it easier than ever to detect if you're being spied on. Instead of adjusting the tracker for each signal type, the auto-scan program will cycle through different signal detection programs to figure out if there are issues. These can include audio bugs, Wi-Fi cameras, IP cameras, GSM bugs, wiretaps, body wires, GPS trackers, phone taps, or other types of surveillance bugs in the room. If it finds something, it will let you know. 12. Hausbell Listening Device, $39.99. The Hausbell monocular device allows users to listen to a particular area and analyze its sounds. It is made with kids in mind that want to do experiments and have fun. Be aware, though, that this device is fragile and must constantly be connected to a power source. That was all from us today for this video, folks. See you in the next one.